Hi everyone, this is Depeche. Just thought I'd give you a quick demo on JIRA. First of all, thank you for all the comments to my last video on MS Project. They actually led me to creating today's JIRA video. And here's the agenda. Oh, this? Grandpa's lucky hammer. Good point or not? Let's take a look at the high-level agenda for today. We'll start with the dashboard and project sidebar view. We'll do an actual sprint preparation and execution of it. And we'll take a look at the key responsibilities of a pod member. Anyways, on with the demo. But before we start, let's do some Agile 101. So, as my son and the Schulich boys would say, these are epics. Inside an epic are stories. Stories are made up of tasks, and a task may have a subtask or not. A story is estimated. These may or may not. Generally shouldn't be. This is how a story should be written. As a persona, I want to, so that, what it means, we'll find out in our example. To start, here's what the main dashboard looks like for JIRA. Across the top up here is called the main navigator, and here's where you can pick the projects that you're interested in. In our case, we're going to pick the LSI Diet Water prototype. It's a brand new technology based on H1O. As you can see, our project got loaded into what's called the project sidebar. It's showing here that we haven't started a sprint yet, so let's go start one. We see this message because we picked a Scrum board instead of a Kanban board. But to start a sprint, let's go to the backlog view and then simply click Start Sprint. You'll notice this pop-up about information for your sprint. For duration, we'll pick 2 weeks, and for sprint goal, we'll just type in staffing initiated and completed as our sprint goal. And then click Start. You'll notice our button now shows complete sprint because we have now initiated the sprint. Within the sprint, you can put in as many issues as you need. You can even create them from here or up here or by hitting C. To save time, let's look at the one that we have already created here. Clicking on it once will load it into a preview pane here, and from here you can click on the issue number and it'll load it into your screen. In our example, the issue is of story type, and as you recall from Agile 101, we need to have it in a certain format to be useful. So here I am saying, as a project lead, I need to hire 2 chemists so that I can have a safe H1O diet water formula developed. It's important to stress to your pod members to always keep the status and comments updated at all times during the sprint. Sometimes you might have to use your scary monster voice to enforce that.
Update your status and comments daily.
You're even not scary. You're not a monster.
Let's update our comments. You can now mark your story done. Thanks for watching.